नमस्कार. So welcome to my channel Sandy's Yellow Dining Table. लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. Hello friends, come to my dining table and I will tell you a lot of facts about food. Why do we need food? एनर्जी के लिए, पेट भरने के लिए, स्वाद के लिए, टेस्ट के लिए. लेकिन मैं आपको बताती हूँ हमें इससे भी बहुत ज़्यादा और कुछ चाहिए. यू नो, आई एम अ साइंटिस्ट, आई एम अ डॉक्टर, but I'm foodie by heart. So the kind of food I make, I put a lot of scientific facts, scientific logic into my food. मेरा मानना है कि हमारे फूड में बहुत कलर्स होने चाहिए. आवर लाइफ इज़ फुल ऑफ कलर्स. हमारे फूड में जितने कलर्स होंगे हमें उतना ही वो चीज़ अपील करेगी, वो चीज़ पसंद आएगी. We need lot of micronutrients in our food. What I feel कि food should be little less cooked so that food के actual juices और actual nutrients उसमें preserve रहने चाहिए. Secondly, when the food comes in front of us, the first thing which matters is the look. The food should be beautiful to look at. This is my basket of vegetables. And see how colorful it is. It is full of beautiful colors. See, fresh coriander leaves, carrots, broccolis, and these colors with the peppers. Beautiful yellow color, beautiful red color. We have lot of fruits with beautiful colors, like we have pomegranates. Look at this beautiful red color. We have mangoes. So, okay, I'll show you some more. Look at this watermelon. Can you believe it? This beautiful red color. We have beetroot. I will show you more. Look at these golden colors of these corns. So nature has given us a lot of colors which we should utilize in our food. So like these sort of colors, whatever you make, like you make a sandwich, you make a toast, or you make a pasta, or you make some grilled vegetable. So you should try and incorporate as in many colors as possible. You can make beautiful salads out of it. Even I'll show you the colors, like these colors. Gooseberry, amla. Oh wow! Look at this lemon, subtle lemon green color. You can never find such color, in green chilies. This typical green color. What do I have this in my hand? And this is a kiwi. Can you believe it? Nature has given us these colors, this beautiful green color. So why not use that? So our food should be colorful. Have you ever seen, you must have seen obviously, but you see carefully this brinjal. That purple color is amazing. This is the color of different colors of lettuce you find. And so this everything will give your food very high nutritive value. All these things, all these vegetables and fruits with good colors, they are full of antioxidants. They are full of micronutrients and antioxidants. And these antioxidants are not required per se for energy in your body, but they are helpful in rejuvenating your tissues, regenerating your dead cells and dead tissues in your body. We as a doctor know how much, what is the value of antioxidants in your body. So they give you a lot of benefit. So that's what I will do. I believe very firmly that your food should be good to look at, rather than if your food is good to look at, automatically you will like to eat it, and you will like it, you will find it tasty at the same time. So friends, eat healthy for your health. It will boost your immunity. It will have your body will have the best of um, nutrients, micronutrients and antioxidants from your food. It will boost your immunity, rejuvenate yourself from within. Kind of your soul will be rejuvenated. You will be happy eating this kind of food. So stay with me, see my channel, and I'm going to tell you a lot of such amazing recipes with these colorful food. Eat healthy. So share my videos, subscribe my channel, like my videos, and get the best benefit out of it.